After playing the lute, we have Repulse the monkey. In which we would be stepping backwards. So, although we're sitting, you can have that sense that you have some awareness of the space behind you. Instead of everything always being in front, balance your awareness so that you have some awareness of space behind you. Play the lute first, and then open. Draw energy in, and then press. Repel the monkey. Draw the energy in and press. Right, as I press, I'm expanding. Here I'm compact, compressed, and then I expand 4 times. And that would finish the sequence, left hand forward. Let's go back again. Play the lute. Left arm forward, right fingers pointed at the middle of your left arm. Right arm drops out, open, turn right. Press, open, turn left. Press, 3, 4. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gather the energy. Sit quietly. And that finishes the sequence.